Welcome to this short tutorial on how to use your category quest page. First, we are here on your page. My first tip for you would be to always scroll to the bottom just to make sure that you are not missing any crucial information and also to be aware of all the elements that are on the page. Now that you have seen them, my next step would be for you to download all of the documents and materials that are available here. You have a download button, you simply click on that one and a download window will appear where it says that your pages are being downloaded. And you can do this with each of the materials there. Please note that the audio and the video are not downloadable. After you've downloaded all of your documents here, my suggestion is to create a filing system so you have everything organized. This is going to be highly useful as you progress with this course. So for example, I create a folder which is Lifebook Online, and in this folder I'll have 12 other folders with all of the 12 categories, and here you'll see that I will add all of the elements that I find in category 1 and then the elements that I'll find in category 2 and so on. Now that you are settled and organized, I'll show you a few tips on how to use the video player on your quest page. It is as simple as, to start it, you just click on this button. To pause it, you press here on the pause button. Other features that you will find here are this feature that enables the full screen view. It presents in full screen, and you press the escape key to go back. On the side of the video, you'll have timestamps. So for example, you'll have the exact locations for the premise, the provision, the purpose, and so on. And if you click on that one, it will take you directly to that part of the video. Also, it's important to note that in case your window is small, let's put it like this, you will not see the timestamps. So the window has to be a bit bigger in order for that feature to appear. Now here is the sound bar, which you can decrease or increase the sound for the video. And another really cool and helpful feature is this little button here that actually increases the speed of the video, and you can go to 120x or up to 2x, which increases the speed of the video to 2x. Now that you're familiar with these features of the player, it's time to work. So I suggest, this is one suggestion of how you can work on this with the video and the workbook at the same time. Minimize the video like this. Open your workbook. So for me, I'm using a Mac, so I'll use the Mac pages, and I actually can delete the window word because I will not use it. So I'll open the Mac pages and I will put them on the same screen. Right? You can play the video and then work on the side of the workbook. Now, you will see that the workbook is already populated with premises and visions and so on. This is to help you create yours faster. So when listening to the video, you can simply edit the pages here by deleting the primers here. And for example, you'll be like, okay, all of these are good. The first two are good. The rest I don't like. And then you can continue to type here what you consider to be adequate for you. After you are done with the PVPS framework, simply save your workbook and close it. If you have more time, you can continue to use the inspiring quotes here or the photos to personalize your workbook. You can then go back to the page, you have done your work, and at the bottom you have some tasks. So you can simply click on the tasks that you have completed. You have watched the category video, you have written at least one premise, vision, purpose, strategy for all of them, which means you are done. And you have another feature, you can now go and connect with your tribe and share some of your progress so we can all learn as a community. You have a button here that takes you there. My suggestion is that you hold the command key in case you are a Mac user, or hold the control key if you are a Windows user, and only then click on the button because it will open it in a new tab here. says go to the community. In case you have not logged in, it tells you a passphrase here that you can use. After you click on go to the community, you'll be asked for that passphrase. Write the passphrase there, and the admin to the community is private, so the admin to the community will let you in a few hours or less. Now that you are done, you can go back to the lessons here and check also your progress. So for example, here you can go to the second category and so on. Or you can check the lessons from behind, the ones maybe you missed one and you didn't complete it. You'll see that the lessons that you have completed, they have a tick mark, and the lessons you have not completed, they don't have anything. So you can just go to those lessons and complete the tasks there. That's all for me. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.